You want to talk plants?
Last winter, I was looking through Baker's Creek catalog. Bok choy was initially labeled Brassica chinensis, sweet potato. It's not potato.
Green garlic is delicious eaten throughout spring. My mom's remedy for an impending cold: fresh warm bread dipped in freshly made garlic sauce with olive oil. What is the difference between a vegetable and a fruit? So why should you consider adding some of this fruit vegetable to your life? Plants adapted to become less palatable and be avoided by herbivores. I just didn't want to call it bitter. But let's be clear, it is bitter.
The plant parts that we use from both ginger and turmeric are actually rhizomes, underground storage stems. To increase turmeric bioavailability, black pepper is the key. Black pepper contains piperin.
Like all berries, blueberries are low in calories, have a low glycemic load, and are a good source of vitamins, antioxidants, and dietary fiber. Just put blueberries fresh or frozen in a pan, cook some of the water out, and that's it.